Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Android phone's camera is rapidly flashing, showing strange horizontal bands, or stuttering, it is usually caused by a conflict with your indoor lighting frequency or a software lens switching glitch. I will show you exactly how to stabilize your video feed right now. Let's get started. First, the most common reason for moving horizontal lines is that your camera's digital shutter is clashing with the invisible electrical pulse of your indoor LED or fluorescent lights. Open your main camera application and tap on the Settings gear icon. Scroll down your camera menu and look for an option called Anti-Banding, Flicker Reduction, or Auto FPS. Change this setting to Auto. If the flickering continues, manually select either 50 Hz or 60 Hz to match your local region's electrical grid, and the interference lines will instantly disappear. Next, if your screen looks like it is physically jumping or popping in and out of focus, your phone is likely struggling to decide which physical hardware lens to use. When you hold your phone very close to a subject, modern Androids will rapidly bounce back and forth between the primary lens and the ultra-wide macro lens. Stay inside your camera settings and look for a toggle switch labeled Auto Macro, Focus Enhancer, or Auto Lens Switching. Turn this feature completely off. This safely forces the camera to lock onto one single lens, eliminating that jarring jump effect. Finally, if you are outside in natural sunlight and the camera app is still randomly blacking out or flickering, a corrupted temporary file is likely crashing the viewfinder service. Open your phone's main settings app and navigate down to the Apps or App Management section. Find your camera application in the list and tap on it. Hit the Force Stop button to completely halt the buggy background process. Then tap on Storage and Cache and simply hit Clear Cache. Restart your phone to grant the image sensor a fresh hardware handshake, which should restore a perfectly smooth recording experience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.